Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this bartender kit. This is an unboxing video and a product overview. So let's get into it and I'll show you what this kit brings. So when you first open the box, you have your recipe book. So this book shows you how to make different type of cocktails, front and back. It comes with this nice wooden stand. A nice color. It has different compartments for the different tools that it has. Tell you the name of the product. United Shop, both sides, the bottom. It's very cool. So everything comes in bubble wrap. So everything is nice and protected. It's made out of a nice stainless steel material. The first one is this muddler right here. Second item is the shot measuring. You have your double shot and a single shot. You have your corkscrew wine opener. You have some tongs. Comes with 4 metal straws. You have your stirring spoon. You have another shot measuring cup. You have your strainer right here. You have 4 picks to hold on to your olives. Nice location for that. You have 2 water spouts. You have 2 wine toppers. And then you have your mixing cup right here. So you can see everything has its own place to store all the different items for this kit. And it's very portable. You could pick it up and move it wherever that you want to move it, and it's made very well. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great bartender kit. I like how the base is made out of a solid wood material, and also the bartender kit is made out of a nice stainless steel metal. It looks like a high quality set, and I also like how it comes with this recipe book, just in case if you're starting out or if you want to learn how to make a new drink for your friends or family or for even yourself. So this is a great kit to have for yourself or even to give as a gift to anybody that has a bar or that likes to drink at home.